SoCal Bikini. XBQINI is me. It's her. It's this. It's curves. It's loving every inch of your body. Gina Marie came up with this brand for us, for all sizes, to like really just feel welcome and feel sexy and, you know, luxurious. And just look at me. You feel me? Yes.
Who is SoCal Bikini and how did I hear about the brand? So SoCal Bikini is ran by Miss Gina Marie. I actually found the brand through one of my fellow models. I noticed that she was modeling for them. She told me to follow them. They're a great brand. And once I followed them, I noticed that they weren't just swimwear. They were women empowerment. They were cannabis knowledge. They were so many different things and so many different layers to the brand that I just had to be a part of it. And I figured, why not go with the woman who's trying to uplift us and make us knowledgeable about these things? Women, cannabis, the human form, the goddess form. So that's how I came to know about the brand.
So who is SoCal Bikini? Honestly, I heard about this event through Instagram, and so far from what I'm seeing, she is a beautiful, dynamic woman. She's all about body positivity, woman empowerment. So if you guys really want to come and join in the fun, festivities, and come be a part of this family because it's amazing.
Gina Marie is someone who I saw several times, not only on Instagram, but on Facebook as well. And actually the way that I reached out to her was through mutual friends on Facebook. And the thing that I like and makes her unique from all the other brands is that she has such a wide range of sizes, not for just the small, the extra small, but also the women of sizes, the women of curves. And I think that's very important for brands because it's been hard, even for a woman with a larger breast size or a larger booty size, to find something that's gonna suit and fit them as well.
So SoCal Bikini is the bomb.com, okay? Let's just start with that. I heard about the brand because I follow other local models in the city, and I saw that they were working with Gina Marie and SoCal, and I was just like in love, admiring their bodies, admiring their curves, and I'm like, wow, I love that this brand is not just about curves, it's not just about having plus size or curve models, but it's even all the way down to your like super skinny girls. Like, it's just so inclusive, and that's what SoCal Bikini means to me. It's about being inclusive to all bodies. We don't all have the BBLs, we don't all have that perfect Instagram body, so whether you're super small, super tall, short, thick, round, whatever it is, SoCal Bikini has got you covered, and that's why I love the brand.
SoCal Bikini to me is, it could be you, it could be me, it could be her, it could be him. It's open, and for me, it means a lot to me because I'm coming back from overseas, you know, in a military family. And after having kids and gaining weight and not normal to, you know, it was new. It was a new body that I had to experience and to embrace it. And meeting Gina, like, that just opened that door because I was depressed. I gained a lot of weight. I wasn't used to that. And so when I met her, I was already on the verge, but she definitely just put me out there. It just bam, love yourself. Like, love the skin that you're in. You only get one, take care of it. Because, you know, everybody's gonna have their own opinion, everybody. But that just, you know, that shouldn't stop you. It shouldn't stop you. So for me, it definitely has opened my eyes and made me more confident, and to be able to model and now do walks and shows and things like that. So I wanna thank Gina for that, but thank you.
I heard about Gina through, actually, my boyfriend is friends with her, and he saw the flyer on her Instagram on the news feed, and he told me about it because I have hips and I would get uncomfortable, you know, and he's just like, no, and he explained to me what she is, and I learned from him who she was and the products that she sells, and giving back to the community and trying to teach women how to be confident when we're a little bit bigger and different than all these other models.
SoCal Bikini, I feel like it's a family. It's like a community of welcoming. It's like a big hug. It's a place for all women to feel beautiful and to feel proud of themselves and their bodies.
I first heard of SoCal through one of my friends, Ivory. They were doing a Pacific Islander Asian campaign sometime last year. But that one fell through. I think maybe planning for another time would be better. But then I also did some brand ambassador work with XBQINI, and that's how I was able to come in contact with Gina and everyone from SoCal, the family, and I'm so grateful to be a part of it.
SoCal Bikini is a local brand here in San Diego that has all sizes. They cover all bodies, all sizes, because everyone deserves to have a bathing suit. And they're beautiful products. And I heard about them online. It came up as a suggestion for me, and I followed them, and I love it. I love their products.
SoCal Bikini is not only a fun bikini wear, but it's a lifestyle. And I think that's the most important part, is we're not just building a swimsuit that you can just find anywhere. We're building a lifestyle. And the way I was found by them was by Instagram. Gina Marie found me, requested that I was part of the crew, and sent me some things. I modeled some things, and now we have amazing pictures and a great friendship.
SoCal Bikini, to me, means curves and Gina Marie. I heard about it online, and I've followed it ever since I've heard about it. But it's such a meaningful thing to me because it gets people of all bodies out there, and it's having them with all types of bodies, not just small ones, showing them out there.
SoCal Bikini, she been stalking me for the last 2 years. And I decided to give her a try. But we have a mutual friend, and as a brand owner, and you get kind of skeptical because you get all different type of requests and people try to scam you, things like that. But in Gina's grace, I was just partying with her friend in DC, and so it gave her a little bit of leeway. But when we got on the phone and we just talked, we absolutely clicked. She brings sexiness, I bring sexiness. We have the same vision when it comes to our swimwear brand, and SoCal is different. Hers more of on the cannabis side of women who smoke weed. And, I'm bringing mine on the luxurious side of plus size women. So, bringing those best of both worlds together to create something magical and a big brand, we could showcase and pretty much celebrate women. I love it. I love it a lot. And I love SoCal.
SoCal Bikini is my vision. Being a woman, I've had many body types. I've been thin, I've been thick, I've been skinny, I've been sick, I've been well, I've been pregnant, and along that journey, my body has taken a lot of different shapes. At times, I was not happy with who I was because of my body, shape, form, or the way the world saw my body. I saw an opportunity to create a brand that could evolve and include women as they are. And with the body positivity movement and the evolution of women and their acceptance of themselves, I found an amazing platform to include them. And it's amazing. It's blossoming, it's blooming. I'm meeting a lot of wonderful women who are excited about what is open to them in public and putting their bodies and themselves before what other people want them to be. And I think that it's really important for SoCal Bikini to be a part of that, and I'm glad that I'm here to do that.